Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a password protected zip file and RAR file. So without any further ado, let's get started. Before we start, if you are not my channel subscriber, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell icon to get regular update from T-Tech Mentor. First, you need to download WinRAR from the link given in the description. After download, install WinRAR in your PC. Now, right-click on the folder you want to lock with password and then click on Add to Archive option. Now, click the option of Set Password and set the password you want. And then click OK. Here is the RAR file with password. If you want to extract the folder or want to open files, you need password to extract your files. When you enter the password you set, you can easily extract or open files inside RAR. I hope you enjoy this video. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.